first off, I have this beautiful bag that my aunt sent me, and it's a travel toiletries bag, but you'll see in a minute, it's perfect for baby tool bag. So, let's go back to this and see all of the goodies inside. First off, got my assortment of tools that I use. This is my mica and luster powder brush. Got several assortment of metal tools. I don't know what those are called. Here I've got my tissue blades. I use the small one the most, but I do have a larger one in here. Moving along to this little, here are various sized circle cutters. I don't use those as much, but I do use them. These belong to my pasta machine, which I forgot to get out to show you all. Here's my extruder with the different sizes that the extruder does. Liquid Sculpey, of course. Palette knife.